My friends, how are you doing? Today is the final day for mining or farming the cat's airdrop. Okay, and there are a few things you're supposed to have done before now. If you've not done them, ensure you do them. One of them is getting your OG pass. Okay, some people have been asking me, is it worth doing? Well, all you need to do is to simply check how many cats you have farmed. Okay, if you farmed quite a good number of points, I think it is worth doing. There's no way you are not going to probably make some profit. Okay, well, that's my personal opinion. Of course, anything is possible in crypto. And the other thing you should ensure that you get properly done is connecting your wallet. I have made videos about this in the past. Check my channel or check the videos linked in the description of this video. Okay, and the next thing is, don't forget to do the avatar thing. Okay, if you click on that, I've got 7 more hours to do today's avatar tax. And what is this all about? It is pretty simple. Go elsewhere on the internet, download cat images, okay, and then upload them here. If you've got an OG pass, you'll be rewarded for that. You could get as high as 1,000 cat points. And what else? Now let's talk about the video tax. Okay, today's video task, future trading part 2. If you've not done the other ones, I'm gonna push them in my group. I'll show you how to access that later. Okay, so to do the video tax, all you need to do is to simply click on this. Okay, and that's going to bring you here. Then click on watch video. After watching the video, come back here and key in the word I am keying in now, and the word is WEI. Okay, now these YouTube tags are case sensitive. Ensure to type them out in capital letters, excuse me. Okay, and then click on check answer. You can see I've successfully bagged 500 cat points. If you want to get the other ones, go to my Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description of this video you're watching. Okay, once you are in here, just scroll to the bottom. You're going to see this cat's YouTube code. Tax 1, boost your cat's earnings. This is the code. It is case sensitive. That means don't type this one out in capital letters. Write them in small letters the way I wrote them. Then the second task, free crypto, write it also in small letters. The third task, futures trading part 1. Okay, make sure you're looking at the video titles. Okay, this one, the code is Airdrop, and you're going to write it in capital letters. And the last one is futures trading part 2, which is the one I just did now. The code is WEI. Write it out in capital letters. Okay, so this is it for this video. It's Big Zombies. Select Ken. Sign off for now.